I invite you to join me, not as viewers, but as companions on a unique journey, a solo, unsupported kayak expedition along the North Carolina inland coastal waterway. In 2026, I'll paddle from South Carolina to Virginia, covering about 310 miles. This series will be different from anything I've done before. It's not just about how to complete such an adventure, but why, especially as a 72-year-old taking on a demanding and sometimes dangerous challenge. Honesty is important to me. I want to earn your trust by sharing my real experiences, my decisions, doubts, progress, and setbacks. As this series unfolds, I'll show you why I chose my particular boat and gear, how I plan and train, and what goes into preparing for a long expedition. You'll see my short and medium-term goals like capsize drill, sleeping aboard the kayak, one of the main reasons I chose this design, swimming a mile, and even doing a pull-up, skills and milestones that matter for safety and self-reliance. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. That's Plutarch. That quote captures my approach. My confidence for this journey comes from a lifetime on the water and the mentors who shaped me. I started sailing at 11 in a sunfish, guided by Dos Pakos, a third-generation Greek sponge diver and the most natural seaman I've ever known. Later, Lance Lee, founder of the Apprentice Shop in Maine, taught me seamanship, navigation, and the value of experiential education. My time later as an expedition leader at the Chilwaukee Foundation gave me the chance to lead and teach others, building and voyaging in traditional boats. I learned that real accomplishments come from facing challenges head-on. Another mentor, Steve Isaac, Chief, founded Waterway, which pushes the limits of what's possible in small boats and celebrates the virtues of hardiness and self-reliance. His philosophy in William James's essay, The Moral Equivalent to War, inspired me to seek out challenges that demand resilience, discipline, and courage, the kind of virtues often forged in adversity. But I also want to be upfront about what could hold me back. In 2014, I had a full knee replacement and have been on a long road of rehab. If I stop working on it, I lose ground. More significantly, I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, manic depression, 25 years ago. There's still stigma around mental illness, even within families and workplaces, but I want to be open about it. Like heart disease or cancer, it's a real condition, not a character flaw. I've lived through the darkest moments, and I'm still here, unafraid to share this part of my life and how it intersects with my adventures. This is my opening statement, a kind of mission statement. I'll share the steps and goals along the way, and I hope we can build trust as we go. I look forward to taking this journey with you, sharing not just the technical side, but the deeper reasons for seeking adventure, challenge, and meaning at any age. If you're interested in the technical side, boat selection, gear, safety, and training, I'll cover those in upcoming videos. I'll also share stories from my past expeditions and mentors, and be honest about the physical and mental challenges I face. Together, we will explore not just the waterway, but what it means to take on something big at any stage of life. Let's kindle that fire together.